Here is our refrigeration unit in the basement, and recently what I found that there is a water leakage over here, the from this outlet pipe. This outlet pipe collects the water, and this entire water goes outside the basement. Probably the water leakage is due to the blockage in this outlet pipe somewhere over here or anywhere. I don't know at this point of time. There is a U-trap over here, but what I found is that the water leakage is at this point. Means it was kind of dripping, as you see over here. I have the container to collect the water, and since this water leakage is right above the main switch unit and the transformer, I have to fix that water leakage by removing this entire cover and see that where exactly the water leakage is. Another thing is that more often over the period, it's possible that this entire pipe may get blocked, or the outlet pipe may get blocked. So I am going to add some connector over here, this connector over here, and so that I can restrict the water out going outside the outlet, and then add some extender over here, so that in case if I have to blow the blockage by using the air pressure or the water pressure, I can do that without removing this pipe or checking that pipe again and again. So these are the few things which I'm going to do. As I progresses, I will show you what exactly I'm planning to do. But the first thing is I'm going to remove this entire cover on this side to expose this pipe to see that where exactly the leakage is. And I suspect the leakage is either over here, because the water is not flowing going out, or somewhere else. But let's open this entire water unit, air conditioning unit, this side, and see what is required. And safety is important, so make sure that you are switching off the air conditioning unit before you start working on this. And I open the access door of this air conditioning unit, and inside nothing unusual. And over here also, where I was suspecting the leakage, I don't see anything blockage or anything, except inside this pipe there is a lot of corrosion, and a lot of debris is there, or whatever it is you have to call it. But probably because of that, over the period this entire pipe choked, and the water is not flowing out properly from this outlet. So first thing, I'm going to cut this pipe over here, and try to clean this one using the dry vacuum cleaner, and see that whether the blockage is over here or blockage is somewhere outside. The first part is done, so this is neatly tucked into the internal pipe, and there is no way this is going to come out now, and there is no possibility of any kind of leakage. Now I'm going to cover this entire air conditioner, and then work on this part, where I'm going to add the valve to control the water pipeline, and for cleaning up the water drain pipe, install the access hole. And here is how the final setup looks. The cover panel has been closed, and over here it was the original setup. The only thing is I've used the new pipe over here, elbow, and over here these are the drain pipes, water drain pipes, coming all the way over here. And over here I've added the ball valve to shut off the water. So like this, I'm going to shut off the water first, and then to clean this drainage pipe all over here, I'm going to attach hose over here. This is removable, so just remove this like this. Once this is removed, attach this controller like this and hose over here, and start the water pressure. So what is going to happen, that the water won't go above this ball valve like here. The water will flush the water from here all the way outside, and if there is any kind of blockage, that blockage will get free. There is no need to open the pipes going forward. So pretty straightforward and simple setup. And now the time to attach the hose pipe over here and clean the drainage water pipe and restart the air conditioning system. This is how you will connect the hose to the inlet, and once the water flows through this pipe, the blockage will be drained out outside. Once done, you have to just remove the hose and plug the seal. And see how much stuff is coming out. All this came out from here, and now it is basically the clean. Still things are coming out. And this is how you can clean your drainage pipe going forward.